Question number one. Can you tell me more about the team I will be a part of in this role? Question number two. What would my success in the position look like in 12 months from now? Question number three. What would my top three priorities be in this role once I start work? Okay, so that we have 10 brilliant things you can say in your job interview to impress the hiring manager. Now, the next thing to do is click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video. Head straight through to my website, passmyinterview.com. You can instantly download my full set 100 brilliant answers to difficult interview questions. It is a fantastic resource. It comes as a PDF guide, which means you can have it in your interview inbox literally within 2 minutes now. It is going to put you ahead of the competition. Make sure you check out the link also. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm here to help you progress throughout your career. I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please hit the like button. And don't forget to connect with me on my LinkedIn. I'm gonna put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching. Have a great day for supporting my